guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Anna.
My name is Kenny.
And we are back with another reaction video. So right now we are going to be reacting to Jimin Talent Explosion Moment, guys. Like we always say, if you guys are new to our YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button.
Smash it.
Smash that button right now. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that button right now. And leave comments down in the comment section below to let us know what you guys would love to see us react to next. Let's get into the video, guys.
Start.
What the frick? That was so smooth and quick though.
You better stop playing. Look.
I know that took a lot of practice probably.
Yeah. Also the microphone on this hand.
Like Kenny said, like when you always have, like how he always have it in his hand, and he probably like just always playing with it, it become a habit, and he became so perfect at it.
Spin it on your finger.
Honestly. Oh God.
This is very intimidating because they're all so incredible. They're such dedicated performers, and when it came to making this video, I decided
that's a habit
to do choreography with them. I've never done choreography in a dance video before, so it was something new for me.
Okay.
But they were so nice and encouraging to do it if I practice and put my mind to it.
Sound like someone have an interview while he's...
Okay. They trying to say that's Jimi? That's how you carrying on? What? Look. Whoa.
You think all of them is black belts? Not all.
Not all. Okay.
Stop that. Look.
On my mind. Okay, so whoever made this video just have it maybe get a jump kick at the moment. Kick all about.
Yeah, kick it up. Movie. What?
Refine that back. Pause it on the...
You get him.
How he get in the air like that, babe? What the frick?
Look, babe.
He flexible, babe. But look at that photo. Like, how he get in the air like that? Jimin, what the frick? Get down, babe.
Flexible. Look, well, mother freeze. Well, mother.
He's flexible. Definitely flexible. Okay.
He didn't believe it.
Show it off.
They look like they got break. Anyway.
Trust me, they ain't gonna break. Flexible, like when you flexible, you could like bend, like just
do anything.
Flex all of those. So you have no problem with that breaking. Babe.
Like flexible people have a better chance of surviving an accident, but
look to the bottom. It says flexibility.
Yeah.
I didn't see that. Honestly, I did not see that. I just looking at Jimin, like watching the video. I did not see that. Like, see, you see. I know. That was cool because guess what? He was about to fall. And then he just turned it into a split. So we, okay, see it.
Look.
What the frig? What? Never. You think they edited that like that? Or you couldn't do that?
I see videos of people doing that before. So
Like-
they had to do that for real.
That's crazy. He's standing on air before that other leg actually even come.
Yeah, just leave that leg right there, sitting right there like.
Babe, they so talented. Like, I can't do that. I can't do that.
But check out clean.
That's J-Hope.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Check out clean, yeah.
Yes, fresh with the brown jacket, baby.
네, 안녕하세요. 빈입니다. 이제 시작하잖아요. 그렇죠. 네, 정색의 시작. 하나, 둘. 야, 그 아시지? 지금 최고의 뷰로 달려있습니다.
Okay, so they were so young on this.
You see that?
He's talented.
둘, 셋. 아이, 괜찮아.
After he was dizzy.
오버했죠? 오버했죠?
Look.
Okay.
You see them
He
shoes?
missed. Yeah.
준비 시작. 1, 2, 3.
They fly, man. They wearing matching.
방영에서 11,
Dizzy.
11.
Dizzy.
So I think, do we have to try like get it in the middle?
Yeah, in the middle.
Okay, good try though.
He get it the first time.
I wish I could scream, but my baby's sleeping. We don't want to wake up. That's crazy. Like, don't miss a fall, Jimmy.
You know, you kick someone like that.
They knock out after
Right in
that.
the face. Boom.
Oh. Okay. You have a passion for dancing. He probably learned that dance move in karate.
Yeah.
Because if you were to kick somebody like that,
You gotta be.
you're out. You're not
Yes.
out for a couple well
That
minutes.
don't look easy to do neither.
Yes.
That's a nice spinner. You see that?
먼저 타볼 겁니다. 예!
Turn.
Probably was in ballet too. See like left.
They dancers though.
Yeah.
They dance.
Babe, like you think he's beat dizzy?
I don't
doing
think so.
all that spinning. Okay,
Motion.
my favorite sport.
Go on. Out of there. Don't make it.
He's
Don't let him
talking,
catch
he's
you.
talking, he's talking. Let's go, he's behind you.
Don't let
Let's
him catch
go.
you. Motion.
Let's go, Jimin. Let's go, let's go, let's go,
Get
let's
him.
go, let's go.
Get him. Just remember, if you ever feel like you're gonna lose on the track and the opponent is on the side of you, always trip.
Why you gonna trip? You gonna lose. Why would you? Why would you
You
trip?
can't make it obvious though, baby.
Why? But if you trip, you disqualified. You lose. Like, why would you want to injure yourself?
True.
Just push hard ups. Keep on running. Don't look on the side. Don't get distracted. Like, that's my favorite sport.
Yeah.
don't look back because you could get distracted and then
Yeah, don't
like
never look back. Just
you
and
could
don't
get
never slow
paranoid.
down. Don't never slow down when you almost to the finish line. But
Like,
just
honestly,
give it your all.
and push forward, push, because you could, like, if you look back, like I noticed how we was doing, you could get like paranoid and then like slow yourself down,
yeah.
noticing like, oh my god, he or she is right on and like on my tail. You could slow yourself down, so don't look back, guys. For you running so there, don't look back, don't look on the side, look forward.
Straight forward. Stay in your lane.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
These guys are the full package. To show off.
I never like doing that, but
That's one of his habits.
because it goes straight down.
What? That's crazy, babe. And he's spitting them out. He should go in a contest.
That making me so scared.
Never.
That making me so scared because I remember when I used to try that, it used to like
Sucky.
it never missing on straight in, like it never stop and just go straight in your
What
throat,
the frick?
and it stop right there.
You must have thought you was dying.
That happened to me.
I don't even try things like that. Nah.
That's a habit though, cause he get at that.
Yeah, when we reacted to his Jimin habits, they did say that was one of his habits, and he probably like practiced that like when he was younger, babe. Like, you know, you would be so bored. Tell you would go in the kitchen, get some food, and just
Get the chips off the wall and let it see if it go in your mouth.
and stuff like that. Like
Yeah.
it's just it be like that, honestly. Like I be doing some weird stuff, but like that, the things they be doing, I wish I could borrow some of their talents, honestly, and then just record myself for a whole day, doing all sorts of things they can do, but it's just not reality. Can't do that.
Oh.
You could do that.
Yeah.
Let's go. No, I always try learning how to do that. He's skipping rocks.
Look at that.
What he do, babe? What he do with Ryan back? I want to see.
I don't get it. I don't get it.
I don't see. Like, but move so fast.
Bottle the cap game.
Okay, so I think he skipped it with his finger.
If he was gonna, what's he doing? I don't know how to play that though.
That's good, in. Soccer and all.
Juggling. Okay, 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 okay.
Okay, 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 okay.
Alright.
Okay, come on. 37, 38, 39, 40. He bad. Yeah, he bad. He bad. He talented.
That was jokey, but
Yeah. Kick. Flexibility. That dance. But I feel like it knocks someone out there.
okay, okay.
Beautiful smile.
Alright,
That
alright.
is the end.
That was a
good video of Jimin.
That
yes.
was a nice experience.
Yes, and I wish I could borrow some of the things he can do. Like they could do a whole lot, babe.
I didn't even know you could do splits like that.
I didn't even know we could run. I didn't know we could do sports. I don't know you could play a soccer ball like that, lift a soccer ball like that. But it'll be amazing what else they can do, guys. Okay guys, so this is the end of that video. Like we always say, if you guys are new to our YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up and keep on leaving comments down in the comment section below to let us know what you guys would love to see us react to next. We love you guys and we wish you guys all the best. Peace.